What's good? It's your brother Promo Black. I know living in a system can be real whack, so I'm gonna give you the tax so you know how to react. This is Homestead and Promo Black. Man, another garden update for you guys. Just wanted to give you a progress report. This is July 1st. Last time I did a garden update was June 17th, so we're seeing a lot of significant growth here. This is that elderberry. Looking good, looking good. Those leaves looking strong, man. Gonna have our first tree on the property. This will be our first tree on the property, man, and it's looking great. Very happy, very excited. Unfortunately, with this crazy wind, not everything has the opportunity to grow. This was supposed to be our grape. Not really seeing any growth on it. I want to say one of my puppies might have got to it and chewed on it, but we haven't seen any more growth. We got one little lonely flower there. I'm gonna need it to start trying to grow as well. Same deal, but this flower looks a lot better. Fortunately, that's not really doing much, but it's trying. Very proud of this. This is our raspberry bush. It's also looking really good. Man, what a difference a month makes. A couple weeks, about 2-3 weeks makes, but man, look at that thing. It's getting up there. Oh snap. Looks like we might have another raspberry bush. It's trying. It's just now getting started. But it's trying. Get that bad boy watered some more. Yeah. Showed you guys this fence, man. Game changer. I told you guys have to protect property, have to protect the garden area from my own dogs and other animals that try to come around. These are potatoes, also looking good. You want to say hi, girl? You all in the mix. Yeah, buddy, look at these potatoes. Look how fluffy this is. And how you can get all up in there. Wow. What a difference a month makes. Just consistently watering daily. Y'all like looking too? Now this is an area I'm very excited to show you guys. These are our sweet potatoes. They're also looking really good. Blowing up. I think that's something else. I think that's some sort of melon. Look at those leaves. Stated before, man. This is from June 17th to July 1st, guys. You can go back, watch that previous video. You can see the growth we have going, man. Just a few more weeks of consistent watering. We've gotten great sun. We've gotten some rainwater that adds extra nutrients like nitrogen into it. And you can see the difference. Even all our asparagus bushes are getting there, trying to turn into bushes. Told you guys this wind has everything on lean. Big time lean, but it's growing. It's all growing. Don't know what that is. Still trying to figure out what this even is. My dogs ran through here the other day. Thankfully, they didn't break too much stuff. Looked like they took a couple leaves off of that, but still looking good. Just got to keep an eye on them and keep them out of here. Look at those asparagus leaning, man. Leaning hard. That wind is intense. But still growing. Still going strong. These are sunflowers. We got about 3 of them growing this year. A couple years back, we had a really big one growing. But I'm excited because these are right next to each other. They look like they're getting good water, good sun. Oh yeah, they're loving it. Wow. And as you can see here, these damn puppies trying to get in the way, but digging up stuff. Have to get them out of here, but thankfully these melons are still growing. Oh, look at this pod still trying to come up out of there. This one's kind of vining out. Should be our watermelons. Now you might ask yourself, why you have so much growth in these beds? But it's a little bit of a struggle in the actual garden. Well, this was established a couple years prior. So we got a lot of good compost in here, a lot of good soil, a lot of good fish fertilizer. So this has just sat longer, and this is just one of those things where consistency is key. And the longer you go at it, the better the soil gets. Things break down into the soil, the rains come, and it just helps it because it's already established. Those garden bags that I'm using in my garden, and like I said, the elderberry and certain things, it's great that they're growing fast, but you got to give stuff time to get established. And so that's why you'll see a lot more growth in my beds than my actual garden area, but we're working it. Being able to grow your own food is everything out here, so it's a work in progress, but I'm happy you guys are here for the journey. Happy to show you guys a lot more green this time around. And since the last time I filmed for you guys, we have a rescue, a blue. Looks like a laughing, I forgot the name my wife told me, but this is some sort of laughing chicken. She's pretty loud. Oh, this one's molting pretty bad. We're gonna have to get her some protein. That's the process of them growing new feathers. It's a little ugly sometimes. But yeah, thanks for joining us on this. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for all the support. Feel free to share to friends and family. It will go a long way to helping your boy get some passive income. Appreciate you guys. Peace.